Anderson and Angelo. So today I'm dying to see what's inside on this stretchy man. So put it. Yeah. No, I know. Do not try this at home. No, because I can cut you like this. So let's see what's inside of it. Am I cutting? Yes, I'm doing it. There's glue inside of it. The hell? There's glue inside of it. And never mind if I cut your strong muscles on. No matter. I'll cut your booty. Booty cut. It's glue. Never mind if I cut you. We're doing this experiment and there's glue inside of it. There's glue. We don't like this. Angelo told me to do it. My feet. But I really like it though. My feet's so broken. I want to cut it. Hey, hi, I'm Mr. Arm. Let me cut his booty for a while. Cut. I want to see what's inside of booty arm. Angelo told me to do it. Our scissors have glue totally glue is inside of it. Let me strong. Angelo told me to do it. You have strong fingers. Angelo told me to do it. You have strong fingers. I knew there was glue. The hell? Dude, I did. Let me open it to see what's. I cut his butt. No funny. I only have glue inside my hand. Oh! Is that an Easter egg? It's a stayable glue. Just kidding, it's not stayable glue. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Goodbye.